Hello friends, in today's video I am going to tell you how to take skin care during radiation therapy. If you or your loved one is a cancer patient and is undergoing radiation therapy, then this video is very important for you. My name is Dr. Jagdish Shinde and I am working as a consultant radiation oncologist in Pune. Radiation therapy is used in almost 2/3 of all the patients diagnosed with cancer. Whenever a patient is treated with radiation therapy, the patient gets some or other form of skin reaction because radiation has to pass through the skin to reach the tumor which is located inside the body. Generally, skin reactions will not start within first 2 weeks of treatment. They will start at the latter part of 3rd week of treatment. They will gradually increase till treatment ends. The skin reactions generally start decreasing 1 week after completing treatment and they gradually subside over 3 months. Most of the time, the skin reactions are completely reversible, but some people might have little bit of residual blackish tinge of skin at the end. In today's video, I am going to tell you the do's and don'ts during radiation therapy. Skin reactions are less common in patients who are treated with higher techniques of radiation like IMRT, but skin reactions are more common if patient is treated with the lower techniques like conventional radiation or if the patient is treated in the cobalt machine. Do not apply soap while taking bath on the area of body where radiation therapy is given. You can wash the radiation area with lukewarm water. Don't take bath with very hot or very cold water. Do not add any disinfectant in bathing water. Don't apply adhesive tapes in radiation area for dressing purpose. Do not shave with blade if you are getting radiation to face and neck area. You can use trimmer machine for shaving. Do not use aftershave lotion on the face area if you are getting radiation to face area. Do not apply any cosmetic creams, powders, deodorants, spray in radiation area. Don't do waxing in radiation area. Don't scratch in radiation area. You can clean radiation area by use of wet wipes which are commercially available. Use loose and cotton clothes if you are undergoing radiation therapy. This is to prevent friction of clothes with skin and to keep the radiation area dry. If you are getting radiation to head and neck area, then I advise you to use round neck t-shirt instead of collar shirt to prevent friction associated with collar. There is more possibility of getting skin reactions at sites where you have skin folds like area in undersurface of breast or area which are having more sweat glands. Do not expose radiation area to direct sunlight for a long time as it may cause more dryness and increase in skin reaction. If you are experiencing skin reaction associated with radiation therapy, you should consult your radiation oncologist. He might prescribe you some topical drugs like gentian violet or aloe vera depending on institutional protocols of hospital. If any patient is having severe skin reaction, then patient might need treatment interruption for few days. For more information, please visit our website www.cancercarepune.com.